Hey there, welcome to chapter number 6. In this chapter, I want to talk with you about how to handle events. Unlike the chapter number 5, this chapter will be focusing on the browser events. Remember, each event goes through 3 stages. You have the bubbling stage, you have the target stage, and then you have the capture stage. Stages, or another name for them, are phases. Bubbling phase, target phase, and the capture phase. They are how the browser works with the DOM, document object model. And when you set up an event, the browser event in React, what you're setting up a bubbling event. But there is a way to set up a capture event as well. And the syntax is on blah, blah, blah. So you would say on click, on blur, on focus, etc., etc. On with a lowercase, and then you have a capital letter. For example, on click, it's a capital C, and it will be a bubbling event. If you want to capture at the capture phase, it will be on click capture. I will show you how to integrate buttons, integrate a label with the jQuery. So I will have a jQuery example. You would move a slider and then the value would increase or decrease. So there would be a jQuery component and a React element, and they would be working together hand by hand. How to do that? Well, we're working with component lifecycle events and also the browser events. And also working with states, using properties, composing our own components. So all the first 5 chapters, they're coming together here. Another interesting thing that React will do for you, it will create a synthetic event. Synthetic event is like a special wrapper around the native events, because events in the browsers, they might differ. For a long time, events in Internet Explorer, they were totally different from other events. So that's it about chapter 6. Definitely go ahead and skim through it, even if you already know how to create on-click and some other basic events, because that example will show you how powerful React and how nicely it plays with other libraries, how easy it is to integrate with other libraries. I will be showing you 2 ways how you can do that. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video.